and welcome to another Sunday of Nourishing Your Multidimensional Body. And hi, everyone. I've got a little background to tell you this morning on the essential programming, and we're going to use this a number of times over the next couple months. I just did it again, but I love this class so much that I did it again. This one I did in February. It's your essential programming and cellular healing, etheric. And it's awesome. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I don't know I've never done it. I don't know of anybody who's done it. So welcome to your essential programming. And if you're on the line today, let me know you're here because I'm going to choose one of the essential programs. Actually, I've dowsed already which one, and I'll tell you about it, which is going to be best for everybody who's on the call today or is going to be on the call. I've dowsed which one, and we'll see where yours is at and upgrade it for you, okay? So hello, is it Susanna? Hello there. Hi, Christy. Hi, Linda. Hi, Mary. If I miss you while I'm talking, know that I know you're there. And if I don't get you on the show today, then we will upgrade in the notes, okay? Now, essential programming is part of, it's part of the same type of thing that I do with Lightwave, and Christy and I do with Lightwave, and I'm just going to start Lightwaving everybody here with regular Lightwave, and we'll ramp it up to Gold Star as well. Just going to send everybody some Gold Star Lightwave while I'm talking. But the essential programming is something that I knew a while ago, and then as I did my program called the Biocodes. Now, if anybody saw my show with Andy Lockmears, I call them the Biocodes. She calls it it is the science of German New Medicine, which really is the, we're a holographic system, and we're really software programs running in a body. Our software programs have to run so that it and maintain itself. So we've got some programs that are running, and some of them were there for survival. What I call the biocodes were there for survival. And when they get pinged, kind of figuratively now, they were there when we needed to run from usually the example of the saber-toothed tiger or something that was in our immediate surroundings that threatened us. Now that we've evolved, those programs have not evolved with us per se, but the essential programming is there now to upgrade all those programs and to etherically upgrade what we call the 12 essential programs for your etheric body. And while I work with the biocodes, because people are still running them and looping them, and if you want to go back and see the show with Andy Lockmears, she talks about German New Medicine. But next week, I'm actually going to have two chiropractic doctors, Dr. Melissa Sell. They do the German New Medicine science as well, and they'll tell you about the paradox of symptoms and healing. So that's going to kind of go along with this. This is really the etheric upgrades of our systems. Now, the 12 systems, the 12 essential programs that I have been versed in. I'll read what they are. First is body maintenance and orientation. Basically, really, right? We are a physical being on the planet. We need to have orientation to all the axes. I call it the mega aligners. And since the Earth is changing a whole lot, we always have to be maintained to those axes to be grounded. But there's even more than grounding, and that's what I do in my I have three basic programs: Nutritional, Energetics, the Biocodes program, and the third one, which basically reads the different energetic systems, your energy income, the energy that's stored in your body, and the energies that flow in your body. So that's the second one. So anyway, back to the 12 essential programs that I'm sending you all Lightwave. The second one is communication, and that's communications basically, not so much verbal, but nonverbal communications with each other and with the other realms. The third one is the magical skills that we all can develop Fifth is the soul contract and divine plan. The sixth essential program is our personal database. And by the way, these programs are actually in our 7-point Socratic system. And I want to show you a beautiful accelerator by Brian DeFlores that shows where we can kind of find these programs, these 12 programs, if I can get that right. They're along our Socratic system. And when we douse those and when we work with these programs, you can find where they are if you'd like to know where they are. So back to the programs. The next one is upgrades, corrections, and auto overrides. We can do that with our body. We can upgrade things. We can do the corrections. We just have to make sure these programs are running full steam. The next one is protection and filter systems. We do have a protection and filter system built in. We're always putting up our shields and enhancing our shields. This is part of that, but we have a built-in system. Planetary orientation, which tells us all about Earth. We have a manifestation program within our chakra systems. We have a dream recall program and an Akashic Records program. Now, the one that I doused today that would be best for everybody is the intuition program. So if you want to douse on your own, I'm going to take folks in the chat because these are really supposed to be individualized. But I am going to place up this little thermometer. Now, if you douse, you can say what percentage is my intuition program or any of the programs that I mentioned. I'll read the intuition program, and we're going to work with that one today. Because then if I have somebody who wants to just say yes, maybe in the box, then I'll check your intuition program. I'm also going to upgrade it since this is nourishing your multidimensional body. I'll also douse some of the food frequencies that you need in order to upgrade that program as well. So not just general frequencies, but I'll actually do food frequencies because we can, right? So the intuition program, it's a very important internal guidance program designed to assist you through life with the least possible confusion and disruption. However, this is the one program that is compromised most often. So this is the one I got today that's going to be most important for everybody here. This is often due to individuals relying too heavily on external outside instruction and interpretation, rather than their own intuition. And I know everybody here works with their own intuition, but you're going to get an upgrade today or learn how to keep upgrading your system. If this is the case, we'll eventually severely compromise the program, and that's where self-doubt, worry, and stress come from. However, when this program is running smoothly, it will allow you to move from one success to another with minimal upsets. It also allows you to receive guidance from your guardian angels, spirit guides, higher collectives, and other energies. In addition, each individual also has many physical guides, which can often provide insight into your life during personal points of confusion and trauma. So this is an important program to have. Together, these three forms of guidance will give you the opportunity to make decisions from a point of having many options and seeing the whole picture. This is a great gift indeed, knowing that you always have multiple options open to you, especially in times of crisis. We tend to forget and we default to kind of our bio codes, right? We tend to go into survival mode. So this is a program that will help you if you remember, say, wait a minute, how well is my intuition program operating? And then I'll show you how to lift it up. You'll begin to live life multidimensionally in a whole new world with a higher set of laws governed by spirit. And I know everybody here is very well attuned to doing that and wanting to do that. So let's go ahead and do intuition. Okay, Mary. So let's see. Now I put the thermometer up there because if you douse or if you don't douse, really this is if you don't douse. You can say I download the percentage program. So just go ahead and download the percentage program. This is one way to do it, or you can douse and actually douse percentage that your intuition program is working. And I love this thermometer because it takes away thinking that you're doing anything wrong. And if you're on the call and you're seeing this via computer, just take a look at the thermometer and say, where do I think my intuition program is at? It might be even lower than the one on the right, or it might be 100%. But just take a look at that and either douse or look at the thermometer and go, hey, I guess the line is there. And take your first gut instinct. Take it right there where it is. So Mary Z, let's see, 10, 20, 30, intuition program. The percentage is your intuition program. Okay, Mary, how are you feeling? Because I'm getting that it's kind of low right now. So we're going to look at that thermometer, and we're going to bump that up. Just see in your mind's eye this thermometer, look at it physically. And I'm going to put your intuition program through this renewal template. Isn't that beautiful? This is a renewal template for your program. We're going to send that out. And we'll send this out to everybody who wants to accept the renewal program for their intuition essential programming. And we're just going to visualize it going up that thermometer. And just stay with it for a while. It might go very fast. It might be up to 100% already. If there's some glitches in there, it might take a little while, but we're going to still keep sending energies for the intuition program the whole time we're on the call. And I'm looking at the time, and my time is 1:11, so I love it. Okay, so we're upgrading Mary's intuition program. You can upgrade this yourself too, guys. But I want to do a little interaction with you today. I tend to talk a lot, and we don't get to interact. So the essential programming is that. And I do this in sessions as well. We can take a look at your, I'm going to send gold star here to Mary. We can take a look at the 12 essential programs and upgrade them. And you know, on a continual basis, you can say, where's my programming? How optimum is the function? And then you can get a little creative and actually delete the programs that aren't serving you. And you can add programs that you'd like to know. It's a really diverse program. And I want to show you this picture again because they look like, put them in your mind's eye as well, they look like little CDs moving. So this is the essential programming, and there's I'm not going to go through all the pictures there, but you find it in your 7-point chakra system. Some of them can be damaged, some of them can be missing, and there's the neat thing, of course, about any time of efficient computer programming, which our body is that they overlap each other. So let's see where you're at here. 70, 60. So we're getting about 65%, Mary, on your intuition, essential programming. So we're going to keep sending this through the renewal program, the renewal accelerator. And anybody else? Did anybody else douse where your intuition program? I see. Yep, somebody's just very strong. Yes, that's great. Okay, Mary, we're going to keep sending this renewal program to you and upgrading your intuition essential programming. You can see it as a CD in your Socratic system. And let's find out where this one is. Maybe. I'm sending everybody gold star light wave. So, and if you want to know where they are and don't have the diagram, just say, is it above? You can do above my belly button, you know, above my throat, below my throat. And you can actually ask if it's near any of the 7 points. Okay, let's see, 70, 80, and over 80. Okay, it's going up to 80 there, Mary. So we're just going to keep that flowing. And Linda, I see a yes. And open a coding. So for Linda, over 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You've already up past 70 there, Linda. So let's send yours through the renewal program. Okay, we're going to send that out. And just seeing that thermometer, and I'll go back to everybody and do the nutritionals too. The thermometer, your essential program, your intuition, and any of the others that I mentioned, you can go back and hear the list. Time tends to go by pretty fast on these. You can just see it going up on your thermometer. And I don't know if you can see me, but I kind of lost myself on here. So hopefully you can see me. I'm here somewhere. Can you guys still see me? Or did I lose connection altogether? I'm not seeing myself on the camera. I'm seeing comments, but I'm not seeing them. I'm just going to log out and log in because I think, okay, Christy, yes, you can see me. Okay, then I'm just going to keep going. I can't see myself there. I'm going to put the thermometer back up here. Okay, because I can't see myself. I lost the camera somehow there. Okay, good. I'll just keep going. Okay. And, okay. So Mary, you still need some nutritionals there. So I'm going to go through some of my my nutritionals. Thank you for the comments. I can't see myself, but I'll just keep on going in the camera. And I can't see to connect it, so that's good. Okay, so now I have my Lightwave book, and of course, with all the foods that I do, and just for fun, let's put up this food nutritional. Since you can't see me, I guess that's the way to go today, right? Okay. So we're just going to put up a fun picture of the food colors and all the nutritionals. And again, since that might be overriding my picture, I don't know because I can't see it. I'm actually going to there. I added myself back. I'll take down some of those. There. I can't see me in the camera, so if you can. Yeah, I took myself down for a while, but oops. Somebody said I'm gone. Come back. Oh boy. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so now you see me. Can you hear me as well? Sorry. I keep sending energy, so there you are. Okay. I put myself back up there even though I can't see myself. Okay. So I've been sending some food frequencies out to everybody. And everybody on the call, just see where you are. If you don't dowse, if you know the standing muscle test, probably many of you know how to muscle test or dowse. But just download the percentage program. Say, I download the percentage program, and how active is or how efficient is my intuition program, and see what you get. Your first hit is right, so just get that, and then look at the thermometers, and put your essential programming right up. I'll put the thermometers back up because I love that one. It doesn't have gauges on it. You can just say, where's my... Okay, so I think who do we have here? Mary and Linda. So Mary, is it 100% yet? Nope, you're just going to need some more frequencies there. And if we don't get it up to 100% by the end, I'll find what's needed for you. Then Linda, you're at 100%. Okay. And Mary, we're going to work on yours. Okay. Hey, Celeste, thank you for your information. Okay. I see Sharon here. So Sharon, let's see where your percentage for your intuition is. Over 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 over 30. So I'm getting 30%. So look at that thermometer there and see in your mind's eye just your intuition program going up. I'll send your intuition program through the renewal program. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to read the essential program titles again so that you guys know. It's body maintenance and orientation. I'm not going to go through the guidelines, but if you're interested or feel that any of your essential programs are kind of out of whack, or you can get in touch with me and we'll work on essential programming. Communications program. The intuition is what we're doing today. The magical skills and creativity. Your soul contract and divine plan. The personal database. Your upgrades, corrections, and automatic overrides. I was assuming that was the one that we were going to actually be doing today. But I got intuition for many of you. The protection and filter system scanner, very important. Planetary orientation, which has to do with knowing about Earth and Earth planet itself. Manifestation program, and dream recall. And even though you don't know all about these programs, you can still test how, what percentage is my program running. And just in your mind's eye, use the thermometer or anything that works for you and just upgrade your program. Okay, so, 100% on that one. All right, let's see Mary here. Where are you at? Mary, you still need some energy there for your intuition program. We're going to keep working on that even after the show. We're going to get that up there. And let's see what else we have. Okay, I see Dawn. Okay, let's see where you're at. Well, Dawn, you're up to 100%. You're there. Okay. Okay. Let's see who else. Who else would like to go? I'm trying to reach down through. Celeste, I'm seeing you. Okay. Celeste, your intuition program is more than 10%. Okay, we've got a lower one here, so we're going to send this through the renewal program. Okay, Celeste. We're going to connect with Celeste and send your intuition program through the renewal program and send some gold star to push that right up. Again, you can look at the thermometer and just see your program going up through to 100% there. Okay. And you're moving up there, Celeste. I didn't gauge what yet, but you're moving up. So let's move everybody on the call to 100%. Send some energies. And here's an accelerator that we'll add to this. I hope you can see it. Sorry if that's not right in there. Let's take this one down. This is the City of Light. And it's the blueprint of all creation. So it fits in with our essential programming today. So I'm going to send everybody the energies of the City of Light to help you upgrade your essential programming in general and the blueprint of creation in general. So that's a nice topping off of this one. Okay, let me bring up the comments here. Okay, and we're going to do more on essential programming later on. Coming up, I have some awesome guests coming up. Keith Allen Kay is going to be here in July. I am so excited to see him. I'm actually starting a class with him today. It's holoponic healing, or holographic healing. And this is not one of his pictures. but he has a lot like that moves. So we're going to have more coming from Keith Allen Kay on holographic healing. It's going to be awesome. I also have a gentleman named Clayton coming on talking about water and structured water. So that will be awesome as well. And I'm sending everybody the renewal program. Let's take everybody's intuition program and send it through the renewal program. Add some gold star light wave. This is an important one to keep up. They all are, really. Let's see how everybody's doing. Mary, you're doing better. Yay. Okay. We'll send some more there and get yours up there at least close to 90 to 100% there. And then let's cocoon everybody in a gold light. Keep everybody's energies there for your essential programming. Send some gold stars through the Socratic system for all the essential programming, even though we're not particularly focusing on those today. Let's upgrade everybody's essential programming with some gold star light wave. And if anybody wants to contact me on any of those programs, we can work on like all 12. We can work on getting all 12 of them to, better function and 100%, and then keep them that way, essentially. Go through like a monthly process of the essential programmings that should be up and running in our body. And next week, like I said, come and listen to Dr. Stell and I'm not sure if her fiance or husband, but they talk about the biocodes, which are the programs that we're still running on survival. And these are the essential programs that upgrade these as well. So there's kind of two ends of the spectrum on our software system of our body. Okay. Oh, thank you, Don. I just love Lightwave. I run it daily. I have the accelerators all around my house and have had for years. And I'm really excited to add this essential programming and the holographic portion to this. Really excited about doing all these programs. Okay, so once again, I'll send you some more City of Light energy. And I hope everybody is upgrading their intuition program. Mary, we're doing much better. Yay. 80%. Yay. Let me double check. 80%. Yes, we're up past 80. Yay. Okay. Everybody push that intuition program up. If you happen to have any insights or intuition that you want to share, come back to this or my Nutritional Energetics Facebook group and let me know. Thanks, Linda. Okay. All right, everybody. This was a quick one on essential programming. I want to do much more on this because it's awesome. And it's part of our upgraded, now that we've gone through these new energies, we can upgrade our essential programming even more, I bet. And you can add things that want to go. Questions, Wes? Do you want to know where you're at? Love 80, love 90, love 8, love 80. Somewhere still in the 80 range. So we're going to keep sending this through the renewal program and get you up there as well. Okay. Okay, well, as usual, the 30 minutes are quick. I hope you enjoyed the intro to the essential programming. We're going to do more on this. And if there's a particular program you're really concerned about, put this in the comments and I'll double check within the next 24 hours. If you're really concerned about one of the programs that I mentioned for yourself, let me know. Okay. Celeste, you're very welcome. Okay. I'm going to send everybody who's commented later on through the renewal program. And I might even douse in there. If I get some time, I'll douse for you as well if you want it. Okay, everybody. It's about that time. Again, I know this was quick. I hope you enjoyed the intro to the essential programming. We'll do more on this. And next time, I've got Dr. Melissa Stell, who's going to tell us about the other spectrum of the biocodes and the that your symptoms are really healing, kind of the paradox of symptoms and healing. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great Sunday. Thanks for coming on. I really appreciate it. I know there's a million places you could be. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the energy. I'm going to keep sending it a few minutes after, If I don't find that everybody that's commented on the call is up there, I'm going to send everybody through into the renewal program and send some more Gold Star Lightwave and then seal it in gold. Okay? Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.